I'm going to show you how you can make your teacher's screen a lot bigger on your screen. So if she's showing you a worksheet, like for example, this one, and you want to make sure it's as big as it can be, because once you have all your classmates, you might get a bunch of little boxes and squares, and you don't want it to be in the tile view. For example, this view where there's all these little boxes and then your teacher's little box is tiny. So a way to do that is, one way is you go to the three dots, you go to change layout, and then you click on spotlight. So it makes the teacher the spotlight. Another way to do that is you go to the top right where it has a little people icon. You click on it. It's going to show everybody in your class. And to get your teacher to be the main one, you look for her name, and you're going to notice there's two of hers because one of them is the teacher's name and the other one is the presentation. It's going to be in parentheses. So the one that says presentation, that's the one that you're going to make sure that you click this button that says pin. If you have a touchscreen, all you have to do is click it 2 times, tap it, and then it's going to pin it for you. So that's how you can pin your teacher, for you can have a better view.